everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here and thank you for stopping by. So at the end of December I did a video giveaway, and at the end of January, 31st of January, I did the drawing for that giveaway, and it is for my 44-piece art and craft set. It's something that I offer on my Etsy store, and I just thought it would be nice to send it out to somebody, you know, do a giveaway. It was something I enjoy doing. I love giving things away, just because it's fun, you know. Anyway, so we did the drawing and there was a winner. And it's been about 6 weeks now and I haven't heard from this person, this winner. And I just thought, you know, it was such a shame for this art not to go out to somebody, anybody, anybody on our list that were so interested in winning. And so I have it all packaged up and it's ready to go. And if after this video the original winner contacts me, I will honor that that winnings, and I will still send it out to her. This is my artwork. I have control over, you know, reprinting, repackaging, reassembling the whole kit, and so I'm able to do that. So that is, you know, I don't want her to lose out either. But just as a quick recap, there is some washi tape, excuse me, craft paper, little note tags, word stickers, tags, coloring in pages, little 3x3 note cards that are folded with envelopes, an art print. I think I did say bookmark. There's a pen, a pencil with many colors inside. It's one of those sort of kaleidoscope pencils. And then one of these big paper clips. The bookmark has a tassel. There's a little charm, and there's some ribbon that you can use maybe on your tags or in some of your other crafts. So here are my entries, my remaining 14 entries, and I'm going to get them all into my little glass. There goes Tracy and Sherry. Martha Makes Art, Handmade by Pooh, Pro Ryan, sorry, Lady J Sundries, Martha Salazar, Laurie is Inspired, Marcel, here is Perfectly Imperfect Junk Journals, it's Gina, Jenny's Crafty Corner, Tammy Van Antwerp, Bobby Daily Rural Life, and enjoying the journey cancers. Sorry, that I think is Lottie. So okay, there are all my orders. I'm going to do sort of that bingo lotto shake up, and hopefully get them all mixed up and then choose. I think that might be enough. All right, maybe if I put my hand over, and I'm just gonna grab one. Have I got just one? I think so. Bring it out. Let's see. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Laurie. Laurie is inspired. So Laurie, congratulations. I'm really excited that you won and that I can send this out to you. And I am going to get that all packaged up. So please email me your mailing address and I will pop this in the mail on Monday morning first thing. So Laurie, congratulations, and thank you so much to everybody else for your interest. It means a lot to me because a lot of work goes into these sets, and the fact that you were interested just really makes my day. Thank you so much, and congratulations, Laurie. All right, you guys, we'll see you next time. Bye.